4,720,000,000 bonds in 10 days. Wow. Teona Classic destroys 4,720,000,000 coins in 10 days. Wow. I hope if you can keep these statistics, this record almost every 10 days, definitely we will be talking about almost 15 billion every month. But for now, I don't think that is possible. For now, I don't think that is possible. Okay? I don't think Luna can burn up to that amount in 30 days. This 4.72 billion, remember that on the 1st of July, Binance burned billions of coin. I think about 2.6 was destroyed just on the 1st of July. Okay, so by the time you subtract this to about 2.6, you will discover that almost 2 or 2.3 has been destroyed in the past 10 days or in the past 9 days. And Luna average burning is about 118 million. So definitely it's still almost same amount of burning every day. So I still believe there's a little increase on just because of Binance, but in the next 10 days, don't be surprised to see that Luna might be burning below 2 billion. And the next 10 days again, another below 2 billion, which might be bringing the total amount to over 8 or 9 billion bonds. But for now, I think they did well by destroying over 4,720,000,000 Teona Classic coins. Recently, Shiba Doge has been burning a lot of quintillion coins. Shiba Inu have not. Yes, Shiba Inu needs to start burning billions because they still have over 580 trillion. So burning just 1 trillion in a month in 1 year is 12 trillion. You see why Shiba Inu needs to burn over 10 to 20 trillion coins in 1 month, which means in 2 years or in 3 years, Shiba Inu might burn out. But it's going to be difficult for Shiba Inu to even burn just 1 or 2 trillion coins in a month. Right now, they are still burning just millions of coins. But for Teona Classic, there's a possibility that they can burn out their coins on time. So let's keep supporting Teona Classic. This is not a financial advice. Your own research. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you for stopping by.